Brian's Tech Reviews back here with some products that are going to help me further the channel and make a better experience for you guys. First, we have a phone tripod mount that will help me mount my phone and record videos without holding the phone, and so it will be very stable and awesome experience for you guys. It's very simple packaging. It's just just got open this one hand. Just the explanation there on the front. Standard mount, uses a 1/4 inch female tripod mount. That's standard with everything. Here's the product. Nice soft foam here, so you can put your phone screen there without any issue and without any worries. Then on the top, bottom, and side, you have a 1/4 inch thread mount that's standard for tripods. Then the big purchase for the channel. It's a Manfrotto compact action tripod. Just open it here. Trying to do this with one hand can be annoying. There we go. In the box, first you have the instructions, and in this little bag it also comes with an adapter if you want to mount Sony cameras. This tripod, by the way, can reach about 6 feet tall. It's very good quality. It's from Manfrotto. Then the tripod comes in this nice padded carrying case. Sorry guys, trying to do this one-handed. Then take it out. First thing you'll notice is that the tripod mount actually comes with a little cap on it for safekeeping. There we go. Very sturdy tripod here. You have your little clips on the legs here that can be used for extending different parts of the tripod. Then you have your lock here to swivel. Then you have a couple locks here. That allow for adjustment. Then you have a release latch there to release your mount for your camera, any accessories you may have. Well, that's it for the video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon with another tech video for you guys to enjoy.